Rainbow. Isn't it beautiful this morning? Yeah. Nice and sunny. Want to go in the water? Come on then. Might be a bit cold. Go on then. In you go. Ooh. Just drinking the water, aren't you? Come on then. In the water. Ooh. Does that feel nice? Look how clear that water is. Wow. Rainbow, this is not an opportunity for you to do more eating, is it? No. Rainbow, what's in? You love the beach, don't you? Speedboat in the distance. Sit. Good boy, wait. Wait. Good boy. Good wait. Okay, here. Good boy. He's a clever boy. Yeah. You clever. Rainbow, sit. Wait. Good wait. Oh, he's a good boy anyway, that you're coming back to me. Yeah. Yes. I'll have to practice letting you off in the garden with the whistle. Do a recall, yeah? Yeah? Should we do that for our next video? Yeah. Eventually we can let you off on the beach. Yeah? Good boy. You're doing digging. Do digging. Yeah.